One of the features that I think is probably going to be underutilized by some people, but would be super helpful in niche scenarios, is the multi-agent session. When you have an issue in your environment that's kind of pervasive, but you can't identify it easily because it's impacting some hosts randomly or maybe multiple hosts, and it's just difficult to pinpoint exactly what the root cause is, you can start a multi-agent session, and let's say I'm going to pick all of these. This is my main desktop, and then these are all the VMs running on it. This one is Linux, so you can actually do a multi-agent session between Linux and Windows, and it'll be OS aware when it's querying each agent. So I'm going to start this session here, and within about 30 seconds, each of these should show online. I'm going to check the box to auto analyze correlations, and then I'm going to say the virtual machines are slow to respond to actions. This is just an example. So I'm going to go ahead and send this query, and you can see what happens. After a few seconds, it'll connect to each of these, and you'll start getting the responses trickling in from all agents. I've got this auto analyze correlations checked, so it should automatically cross correlate between the devices that respond. And if they don't all respond in a timely fashion, then I may have to manually click. It looks like they all responded finally. Okay, so I'll go ahead and do cross correlate here. If they don't all respond at the same time, then you can see this one didn't respond in time. Then it won't auto analyze the correlation. So I'm going to cross correlate between these three, and you'll see the response come in. It looks at the responses that each device gave, and then cross correlates using event tracer eBPF from each of the devices that responds. So it's cross correlation here. It's obviously going to be a little bit more in depth, but it does give you a solid explanation of why the issue that you're experiencing is occurring. So here you can see that it's providing a diagnosis of what's happening across all of the hosts and what the root cause ultimately is. So it's saying that the Linux VM is having a cascading failure that's propagating to the other VM, and it's all really coming down to the VMware instance.